So I recently put out a video talking about how you can earn $1,000 commissions from this one opportunity. But one thing that I didn't talk about in that video was the fact that this opportunity actually offers done for you remote closing. What this actually means is all you have to do is get people to want to book a call with one of the closers in this opportunity, right? So you don't even actually have to like really sell if you don't want to, because I know a lot of people out there, they're like, yo, I'm not really trying to be a salesperson, I'm not good at being a salesperson, blah blah blah, right? Even though learning how to sell, being able to sell is one of the best skills that you can have. You might not want to sell, you might not feel comfortable closing the deal, but that's all right, because this opportunity will actually do it for you. So all you need to do with this offer is reach out to people to see if they would be interested in this particular offer. And if they are, get them scheduled on a call, sit back and wait for the commission to roll in. It's really that simple. Now, if you know anything about high ticket closing, remote closing, whatever, like, yeah, is it guaranteed that the closers are going to close every lead that you send to them? Absolutely not, right? But with this opportunity, there's professional closers that this is what they do. This is what they do all day. This is what they're trained in. This is what they're good at. So I want you to keep in mind that you do want to make sure that the people you are sending to the closers are actually interested in this offer and that they're able to take advantage of this offer. That is your primary job with this opportunity. So for every person that you get to book a call and the remote closers close them, you're gonna earn $1,000 commission. So you might be thinking, yo, this opportunity dope as hell. I'm feeling it. But what if I got some sales skills? What if I wanna close my own deals? Like, is that possible? Do I have to book these people with a remote closer? And the answer is hell no. So once you become a partner with this opportunity, you can go out there, you can get the leads, you can close them yourself and still get $1,000 commission. So you have both options, which makes this opportunity so dope, because you can have other people close your deals or you can close your own deals if you want to. When you really think about it, you can actually look at this opportunity as you being your own boss as an appointment setter, and where you would get these commissions. I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. This opportunity is very, very easy to work, but I said work. So even though the steps and basically all you're doing is reaching out to people, all you're doing is messaging people. All right, the actual opportunity focuses around using Facebook, but actually you can use pretty much any form of marketing. You want to just get people to this offer, and if you want to use a remote closer to close the deal, you can, or you have the option not to. It's really up to you, but the point is you gotta be committed and you have to be consistent. All right, because this is a real opportunity where you can earn real money. So if you're watching this and you like, shut up, I want more information, I want to get started with this opportunity, all right, I got you. So all you need to do is click that first link in the description, follow the instructions on that page, and I will be talking to you very, very soon.